Hi everyone, let's talk about the anatomy of sin. And our Bible verse for today is all about Genesis 3:6. So that when the woman saw the tree was good for food, and that it was a delight to the eyes, and that tree was to be desired to make one wise. She looked of the fruit and ate, and she also gave some to her husband, who was with her, and he ate. So, ito po yung verse natin for today. Yung teaching na to, Satan attack us. Attack on the flesh. Sa tatlo yun, na laging mula noon, magpahanggang ngayon, at sa future, always Satan attack three same way. Attack on the flesh, attack on the eyes, and attack on the heart. When we say attack on the flesh, what is that? Attack on the flesh is lust of the flesh. So, inaatake yung laman. Attack also in the eyes. Nakakalugod sa paningin, nakalugod sa mata. And attack of the heart, that is the pride of life. Atake sa puso. So, when you say attack on the flesh, yung pita ng laman, pagnanasa ng laman, and all kinds of addiction, like sexual immorality, tawag ng laman ng gustong-gusto gawin ng laman. Marami taong bumabagsak yung career at nasisira yung pamilya because of the sexual immorality. At di lang yon, yung panonood natin ng porn, yung addiction sa mga bagay-bagay, hindi lang sa sex, even yung sa mga gambling, sa video games, gusto ng laman na hindi mapigilan ang sarili. Ang lust of the eyes, masarap sa paningin, desirable, nakakalugod sa paningin, mag-aarang kotse, mamahalin na gamit, and also, atake sa puso, and that is the pride of life. Yung desired ng puso, yung gustong-gusto ng puso, the high view of oneself, yung pride.